Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your email preview in ActiveCampaign. This is incredibly useful when you want to see exactly how your email campaigns will look to recipients across different devices before hitting send. Let's walk through this process step by step. First things first, open your web browser and head over to ActiveCampaign.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in properly, as you'll need full access to your email campaigns to make these preview adjustments. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Now, direct your attention to the left side menu where you'll see various options for managing your campaigns. Look for and click on the option labeled Email. This section is your control center for all email-related activities, including creating, editing, and previewing your campaigns. Once you're in the email section, you'll see a list of your existing email campaigns. Browse through them and select the specific email campaign that you want to change the email preview for. This might be a draft you're working on or a scheduled campaign that needs a final check. Click on it to open the campaign editor. Now that you have your chosen campaign open, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. Here you'll find a button that says Test and Preview. Click on this button. This feature is essential because it allows you to see how your email will appear to your audience before you actually send it out, helping you catch any formatting issues or design problems. After clicking Test and Preview, you'll be presented with different preview options. Go ahead and click on Desktop Preview. This particular view shows you how your email will render on desktop computers, which is often where many subscribers will be viewing your content. It's important to check this view as desktop displays can show more content at once than mobile devices. Next, you'll want to edit the email if needed. Click on Edit the Email to make any necessary changes to your content, design, or layout. This is your opportunity to fine-tune things like images, text alignment, or call to action buttons before finalizing your preview. Finally, after making your edits, click on Preview. This action will refresh and change the email to show your updated preview view, reflecting all the modifications you just made. This way, you can see in real time how your changes affect the overall appearance of your email. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your email preview view in ActiveCampaign, allowing you to ensure your campaigns look perfect before they reach your subscribers' inboxes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.